Let me show you about how to do a screen recording through iPad, not with the third-party application, but then with the inbuilt screen recording option in iPad itself. And this is not only applicable for iPad, but even applicable for all the iOS applications. It can be working in the iPhone as well. So how to enable this option? So you will not find normally in the control center, you will not find any option over here. So we need to enable this option. So go to the settings, and in the settings tab you need to scroll down, and below the general option you will find a control center option. And in the control center option you will find like included controls and more controls. Included controls are some of the controls which is already included in your control center. I mean the places over here. But more control is something like you still have some more controls, but you haven't added that into your control center in these applications. So you have to scroll down and you will find an option called screen recording icon. So this is something that you have to add it up. So when you have added, it comes into the included controls. So you will find it over here now. So now in your control center you will find this dot button. So this particular control is to enable the screen recording option. So now with the help of this control you could do the screen recording easily. So tap on it, and then it will give a timer counter like 3, 2, 1, and then the screen recording has started. You see this particular icon is blinking now. The same as what it will be, you will see at the top right also there is a red icon which says that the recording is in progress. And now we are already recording this screens, and if you wanted to stop it, just tap on the red icon, and then it will ask you for whether I have to stop your screen recording or not. Yes, you click onto the stop recording, so then it will show like screen recording. So screen recording video saved in the photos. Click on it and you will find this particular screen recording. So we are already seeing the screen recording here, you see, but you will not see the audio because we haven't enabled the audio in the screen recording. But if you wanted to enable the audio along with your screen recording, then again you have to enable some more options in the same control. So you see the recording has been completed and the video is already played. And let me show you about how to enable the audio. So go to the controls tab again, then press and hold this screen recording tab, and you will find some more additional options like start recording, and then you will have a microphone options available over here. By default it will be like a microphone off. So if you want to enable your microphone, then you can enable it, and then if you tap on the screen recording, it will do the screen recording. Along with that, it will also capture the microphone, the audio from your iPad. So let me now record this video. Now the recording is about to start. Okay, now the recording is started. Now the screen recording has started, but then this time the screen is going to record. Along with that, it is going to take the audio as well. So let me stop the recording. Now let me play this recording now. Now if you see, has started, but then this time the screen is going to record. Along with that, it is going to take the audio as well. So let me stop. You see, this is how you could enable your screen recording option in your iPad, and and also you could enable the audio, and you could use it for any kind of explanations along with the screen. If you wanted to do it, you can make utilize of this option. Thank you.